All right, let's open the box. Let's see what do we have in there. Sorry. Let's try to do that properly. All right, without cutting ourselves. Here you go. What do we have in there? Oh my God, okay. Must be the chime. Sorry, one-handed, of course, like a newbie. All right, box is empty. Don't need that. All right, quick starter guide. Little sticker that I back at the project. Here is the chime. Yep, still a chime. Here you go. Yes, a little button to activate it or to link it with the rest. All right. Let's see in here, what do we have in that little box? Sorry again for all the shady stuff. I guess it's gonna be mounting hardware. Alright, that's empty. Alright. Gold frame if you want to have an angle on your doorbell. Couple of screws. Some little wire nuts, anchor, wall anchor, and a little piece of cable. Candies. And here you go. Let's open this guy here. Seriously, I need the real estate. Right, let's push that one out of there. Again, one-handed. Cardboard again. There you go. Wow, it's pretty small. Done plastic. Here you go. So here's the back. Terminal to put power to it. And here's the little guy. Oh. Nice. We'll do the installation in about an hour. So here you go. That was the first unboxing of the Wyze brand new doorbell. First installation of the Wyze doorbell. We're gonna replace our ring here, which is quite awful actually. It's one of the first gen and it was not that great. Quality of the image, the picture is bad, notifications are bad. You gotta pay for getting all those proper notification. So let's get rid of it. Let's get that thing out. There you go. Flip that screwdriver around. Remove, all right. Screw. Right. Let's not follow any instruction like a proper person. That should go just like that. Let's see. All right. Just gonna go like that. And the doorbell will click on it. All right. So, yeah, makes sense. It's okay, we can check the instruction, maybe, why not? Okay, yeah. With the wedge, put screws, wow, that's pretty skim. Put screws, turn on, okay. That just to make sure, should be good like that. All right, try to reuse the same screws that we had from right there, cable in. Maybe we'll have, it's okay. We'll adjust it. It's funny, I'm still using the ring screwdriver to do that. Alright, here it is. Thank you. Here we go. Here's number 2. Good enough for right now. There you go. That's straight.
That's a little better.
Thank you. This little guy here. That should have 2 little screws in the packet. Put the plate in place. Right. This little guy here. Release it. Don't do that at home, guys. Don't try to drop your screws
Through the holes.
through the holes. Which are going in the abyss where we've got humongous spiders. Alright. Try to make that so you don't have to worry about polarity. It's just a DC power supply. Of course, cables are quite short, so let's try to do it like you know what, guys? There you go.
Need a hand?
Maybe, but the good thing is Wyze is providing you with cable which has, nope, that's not the right cable. That's for if you've got a regular chime. We don't have that here. 1955 house. There you go. It's going to be way easier to do it with the little spades we have here. You know, let's put them just up like that. Here you go. Here's one. That. Tiny wire nuts, and they provide you 3, and you only need 2. Well, you need 3 actually. I don't know. It's okay.
Just in case you drop one down the cracks.
Yeah, but I think it's more for the little adapter for the chime or something. If you've got a regular chime. All right. Again, like I was saying, you don't need to worry about polarity. Just put the little wire nuts together. Here's one.
Accidentally hit the button.
It's okay. We'll survive. Guys, it's our first install. There you go. And let's put it the right way. Shove all those cables in, and then it should be just a matter of sliding it in. And here you go. Of course, everybody's favorite, the peel. There you go. There you go. Here's the Wyze. I'll go put power on, put the chimes in, and yeah, we'll have to do a bit of a finger, you know, little groove for the cable. Let's put that thing on and let's pair it. There you go. It should be on. Yeah, there we go.
See a light.
Ready to connect.
All right, thank you, lovely assistant. We'll use a wife's iPhone to do it.
It's not your code to get
Oh,
in
true,
there.
yeah.
Ready to connect.
All right, let's search for Wyze. Here you go. Open that.
Ready to connect.
Yes, we know. Give us a sec. Add a device. And let's search for the
Ready to
doorbell.
connect.
Next. Yep. Shows you what to do. Blah, blah, blah. Next. Tell us what do we need. That's all done. Yes. Next. Next. Yes. Power was off. We don't have that. Don't worry about it.
Ready to connect.
Let's stay here. 2-wire. Yes. Next. Next. Oh my God.
Ready to connect.
That part has been done. Oh, whatever. Who cares? Yeah. Next.
Ready to
Oh my
connect.
God. Yep, they show you already everything. Connect the wires. Put the power back. Okay, here we go. We're there now.
Ready to connect.
The doorbell should say ready to connect. It says ready to connect. We'll choose our network, which we're gonna do off
Ready
camera.
to connect. Ready to connect.
Oh, here you go. We'll show that to this little guy here.
QR code scanned.
Here we
Please
go.
wait.
Not now. I heard it. Hit next. It's connecting.
Setup completed.
There you go. Bam. That was quick. Here we go. That's our front doorbell. Next, we'll change the name maybe later on. Continue. Maybe later for the sharing. Next. Next. Yay! Skip the chime installation for now. We'll do it after. And if we hit this guy here. And here we go. That's us. Of course, there's a new firmware update, but here you go, guys.
Nice.
It's pretty, oh my God, it's so much better than
I
the
swear.
Ring doorbell. Oh my God. Awesome. All right, guys.
So much better.
We'll do the firmware update and we'll see after that how the notification looks like. All right. See you soon. All right, guys, we're back inside now the house. We got the Ring, the chime, and it just need to finish the setup by adding the little chime in. So sorry. There you go. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty self-explanatory. Hit next. Plug your chime into and standby power outlet. Press and hold the reset button until the blue light flash 3 times. There you go. There you go. That's been done. Just heard the sound. There you go. It's done. And again, it's like to remove the little peel and we should be good. Awesome. Thank you, guys. We'll do a little comparison. We'll do a little, I'll show you basically the difference between the old Ring doorbell and the new Wyze one. So stay tuned. All right, let's open the box. Let's see what do we have in there. Sorry. Let's try to do that properly. All right, without cutting ourselves. Here you go. What do we have in there? Oh my God, okay. Must be the chime. Sorry, one-handed, of course, like a newbie. All right, box is empty. Don't need that. All right, quick starter guide. Little sticker that I back at the project. Here is the chime. Yep, still a chime. Here you go. Yes, a little button to activate it or to link it with the rest. All right. Let's see in here. What do we have in that little box? Sorry again for all the shady stuff. My guess is gonna be mounting hardware. It's empty. All right. Gold frame if you want to have an angle on your doorbell. Couple of screws. Some little wire nuts. Anchor, wall anchor, and a little piece of cable. Candies. And here you go. Let's open this guy here. Seriously, I need the real stand.